Hello there. Today I am going to be teaching exponent properties. Let's start with a simple one. Let's start with 3 to the power of 3. In this situation, all you have to do is multiply 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So I'm going to put 9 over here in the bottom. Whoops. Alright, let's just say that's a 9. And 9 times 3 equals 27. So the answer of this little equation is 27 equals 27. Alright, that's just one out of 4 that I'm going to be teaching today. The other one, in this one, we're going to use a variable. We're going to use 2x to the power of 3. So basically all you have to do here is basically what we did in the other one, just with a variable. So 2x times 2x times 2x equals 2x to the power of 3 equals 2x to the power of 3. Very simple. And let's do it multiplying now. So what we're gonna do now is 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 6. And what you basically have to do in these two, it's really not that complicated if you look at it. You basically have to add to the top 2 plus 6. That's basically all you have to do. So your answer, if you do that, will equal 4 to the power of 8. And we do this just because the bottom is the same. So when you have the same bottom, the same 4, you just, all you have to do is add 2 plus 6. And the answer will be 4, since it stays the same. 4 to the power of 8. Very easy, very easy. And the last one I'm going to be showing you guys is, it goes like this. We'll use a variable, b to the power of 4. And we're going to do it b to the power of 4 to the power of 5. And in this case, we basically all you have to do is multiply 4 times 5. 4 times 5. And because b4 is basically b4 is to the power of 5, so that means you have to multiply 4 times 5 to get your answer, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So 4 times 5 equals 20. So that means that b equals 20. In other words, you would use b to the power of 20. And that is it for today. Thank you very much.